a dream I know. Deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Hello reality viewers, welcome back again to Reality Latest Gist, the home of news and politics. For this channel, we dey drop news every day and we dey react to every videos wey comes our way. And na reality news now we dey drop for this channel, and we dey also dey talk am as e be. If today na the first time we say you dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, I appreciate all of una for una massive support to this channel. I say may God bless all of una in Jesus name, amen. I get video wey I wan present to una this very moment, and I go dey follow una dey watch the video. After we don watch am together, make we drop our opinion constructively for the comment section. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
People, Biafrans must listen to me. I dey tell una truth and nothing but the truth. Truth and nothing but the truth. Nelly is a zoo agent. Nelly na zoo agent. Mona take my word for her. Nelly na zoo agent. She's so in a hurry. Nelly is so in a hurry. Nelly na zoo agent. Everything we don't talk about IPOB leadership now. Fast lie. Lie from the pit of hell. Now lie from the pit of hell. I'm not saying that they have not been meeting up there, as in they're not that fair to meet up to their expectation and everything. They planted agents everywhere. Share the brokers. Share the brokers, Biafrans. Mona share these brokers. Issuing that document, show say Nelly is in a hurry. She dey in a hurry. Nelly dey in a hurry for her to issue that document. Say, happy they don't hold meeting. Say they're not going to go DOS meeting again. They're not going to go this one. They're not going to go this one. Person wey mean well for something, go divide something. Is this family not for everybody? If Nelly mean well for us, we should be dividing our family. That is to show you that Nelly has plan. She has plan, and her plan don't review. And I mean they here to review all Nelly plan. Now I mean they here to review all Nelly plan. Biafra, una must listen to me. I don't go feel like give una. Now me they tell una. Now me they tell una the truth. These people, if they want to drag the matter, they go. Now there, now the matter go they prolong. It go they prolong. A lot of people never go call they involve. People never go call they involve. A lot of people will be touched. Nelly is an agent. Biafra, Mona, listen to me. Nelly is an agent of the zoo. She was paid to be doing what she's doing. Believe it or not, Nelly is an agent of the zoo. Nobody should listen to Nelly again. Nobody should follow the footsteps of Nelly again. She has managed to convince a lot of people. They are very happy that nobody is defending IPOB online on social media again. They are be very happy. Make una disregard any information. Those of una when not they broadcast on social media, any information when Nelly they give una or for e-boss, mona disregard that. Nelly na agent. She they work for PDP. Nelly na agent. Make una disregard anything when Nelly they tell una. Me they tell una the truth. This thing is something when they don't they cook. Since even before our leader was kidnapped, they don't they cook this thing. Make una disregard what that they do. Make una disregard everything what they do. They not get evidence of what did they talk about IPOB leadership. They not get the evidence. Now to pointing Biafra mind. If you go online today, you call and see Biafra, they talk say DOS is useless. Thank you, Brother Suku. Thank you very much. DOS is useless. DOS is this. Now they conquer evil for people mind. Then they conquer evil for people mind. Because up until now, we never see no. We want to forget about the Nelly. Yeah, let's focus on. Yes, you want me to forget? What about the damage she's causing? Have you not seen the damage Nelly is causing? Issuing document like a mad woman that she is. Are you not seeing document that Nelly is issuing everywhere? You know they see the document. You know they see the document. They tell say they not go IPOB so IPOB family member in so place and they not go they go anywhere again. I be Nelly not the other than me. Nelly not reach to bomb me. Not be Nelly support get sense say this is not the time to fight. Why they call they instigate fight all these years, all these months? Why has Nelly instigating fight amongst IPOB members? Why are they trying to be convincing Biafrans on social media? She be sabo, Nelly na sabo. Now me they tell you now. She don't instigate a lot of people against IPOB. Some people they refuse her. She know what I'm saying. She knows. And the people that she must have try to instigate, when they kick against her, they know what I'm saying, and they are trying to project somebody when they want to pull out there. They are using through the Nigerian media and everything. We will get there. It's gradually processed. Biafra, man, wake up. Biafra, wake up. All their mission is to disorganize IPOB for IPOB to dey useless, so that they will come out with their own. They will not hand over the Biafra struggle to Nigerian government. That is their mission. That is their mission. Una no dey surprise say how come Nigerian government come dey put Biafra flag for their motto. Biafra, wake up. Biafra, una wake up. Make una wake up. This matter wey dey for ground is a very serious matter. These people have caused a lot of damage. We cannot fold our hands in between our legs and be watching these people. They must wake up. Smart law, I no go block you because you have not understand yet. I know you to be person wey dey understand something, but wait, I will not block you. You are a very regular person. But let me tell you something. I will not regret anything I'm doing. I'm only regretting whatever I've done so far. Yes, I will only regret whatever I've done so far. But you see this particular mission of Nelly, I will not regret it. Do you know why? I know what I'm saying. I will not regret it. I will not regret any action I'm taking against Nelly. I will not regret it. Now then go regret her when the time come. Now they go hide their face for shame when the time come. Because these people don't mean well for our struggle. They don't mean well for our struggle. These people have come to bring confusion. I'm telling you the truth. A lot of Biafran can attest to me. There are some Biafran that some information when I get, I forward and give them. Make them to see go through and make them see look on their own. These people have managed to brainwash a lot of people. A lot of people, they have managed to brainwash a lot of people. They have managed to brainwash a lot of people. I'm telling you now, may you shut up and listen. Shut up and listen to me. Shut up and listen to me. You don't know what is going on. Shut the fuck up and listen to me. These people are bringing confusion. They want to destroy POB. You are there talking rubbish. They don't destroy POB. I mean, you know the sea road. You know the sea road. How you want the sea road when you be saying social media gossip now they listen to. Now you be saying now DOS now they attack. Now they say if carry on. And they tell you now what these people want to do. You there for that place. They talk anyhow. These people want to destroy POB. You know they see the hurry when Nelly did. No, they see the hurry when Nelly did. Nelly know they sleep. They drip water for ground. Now me want to sleep drip water for ground. Now me want to sleep drip cup pour water for ground. When I know what they happen on that ground. May you shut up. If you don't want to watch me, may you get out from this place and let people want to listen to me. Biafran, listen to me. Nelly is an agent. Nelly is an agent of the zoo. No one disregard anything when Nelly they talk. They have succeeded in twisting the minds of the people, especially those ones in Biafra land. Do you know why they have succeeded in doing most of these things? Because of hardship. We'll get there. Nelly, retrieve your step. I tell you now. You know what this is, no? Retrieve your step. Because you know that what you are doing, you are lying. You know say you be agent. You know say you be confusionist. Nelly, retrieve your step. Start to the gang up against IPOB leadership. Start to the divide IPOB, Nelly. That is your mission and your vision. Nelly, retrieve your step now. Retrieve your step. You be evil agent sent from the pit of hell. Now you be. Now you the use juju. Nobody here the use juju. Now you. Now brings juju matter come for this social media, for this struggle. Now so that they use Indian juju. Nelly, now you they use Indian juju. Now you they use Indian juju. They capture people, and you know there are a lot of people you have captured. Nelly, retrieve your step. I don't care whatsoever anybody is thinking right now. I just want to do the right thing. Nelly, retrieve your step. Retrieve your step. Retrieve your step. You'll be evil. You have come to destroy. Retrieve your step with immediate effect. All this plan where they put for that place, so now plan where you don't guess is there. You look for opportunity to exhibit there. I know you have been looking for an opportunity to exhibit these plans that you have so far, and now you think an opportunity have been given to you. I will not allow it. I will not allow it. I'm not saying that we are not the go with this. I didn't know that this is where you people are heading to. If I know, I know what I have to do. I didn't know that this is where you people are heading to. You are another fashion of monarchy and co. Retrieve your step. You be evil. Biafra must listen to me. Make una listen to me. I tell you now. Now step by step, we go get there. Una go see a lot of things. They should retrieve their step with immediate effect. Nelly should retrieve her step. Whosoever she is using her platform to talk from, let's restrict. Make them stop her now. If they really mean well for the struggle, let them stop her. If not, I'm not going to rest. Because Nelly needs to be exposed. Nelly needs to be exposed. Everything that has been said so far, the IPOB leadership have stand behind Nelly and co. They have stand behind Nelly and co. They want to settle things amicably indoor, but Nelly don't want it like that. Nelly want everything to be said on social media. So what else do you want? How else do you want me to go about it? How else do you want me to go about it? Nelly need to be exposed. I need to put Biafra on alert. As he claims that he won't put Biafra on alert. Me, I also put the Biafra on alert. That Nelly have come to destroy. Nelly have come to destroy what our leader have labored to build so far. Nelly have come to destroy. Biafra, make una wake up to una brain. Make una start to think. Nobody is defending IPOB on media. Una not the singer. Una not the singer. Now their plan. Now their plan. They have planned this thing very, very well. Make sure say people like us, we not going to get mad to take talk again at the end of the day. But they get around. No, say me. Me, I not get friend. I not get enemy. I not get friend. I not get enemy. When you come to Biafra matter, when I say you want to destroy what many of us don't lay down our life for, I will come outside and stay and speak. I will come outside and speak. Thank you, Brother Henry. I will come outside and speak. Nelly have come to destroy. Nelly have come to destroy. No. Yes. You don't see the documents. Henry Obi, have you seen the documents? Have you seen the documents she has issued today? Have you seen the documents? Have you seen the documents? Have you seen it? If you have not seen it, so quiet. If you have not seen it, go out there and look for it. Go out there and look for the documents you have issued. Nelly have divided IPOB in the USA. Nelly have divided IPOB in the USA. Go out there and listen to and read out those documents she wrote. If you have not read that document and you come here to comment rubbish, I go swear for now. When I get out, come up for this place. If you are not ready to listen to what I'm saying. Nelly na agent of the Zoo Biafrans. Mona believe what they tell una so. She dey work for PDP. They send her account to come divide IPOB. And she is gradually making way. Nelly, your fail in IPOB are smart people. Nelly, thunder will fire. Thunder will fire Nelly. Nelly don't cause a lot of damage. Na me dey tell una. All IPOB media warriors. They don't almost succeeded to close everybody's mouth. Now true now they tell una some. Una wake up oh. Make una wake up to the reality. Make una wake up to the reality. There is a mission of grant to destroy IPOB. They are mounting a lot of pressure on IPOB so that we go to make mistakes, so that we go fail, so that they go make Biafra, they go confuse Biafra, so that Biafra will come and listen to them. Make una wake up. Wake up to the reality. Now what I get to tell una na be that one. Nelly, your plan don't fail on arrival. Now me tell you. You want try? You want try, Abi? Okay. You go see how you go. You go see how you go. Your plan don't fail on arrival. You be demon. Nelly, you be demon. You be demon. Whosoever you they recruit or do whatever you want. Nelly, you be manipulator. You be demon. You they do it down juju. Now you they do it down juju, Nelly. Now you they do it down juju. You be demon. You have come to destroy. You have come to destroy. Nelly have come to destroy. You have come to destroy. Nelly have come to destroy. Nelly have come to destroy. My people, you must listen. Disregard whatever Nelly is saying. Nelly has been doing all this thing on the ground. Even before our supreme leader was kidnapped. Yes, brother Henry. That is what they are doing. Someone wake up now. They tell you now the truth. Now they raise an alarm now. If an alarm, man, I got a mumu na serve at now. That they mumu for the past time anymore. So, man, I got a mumu. Their plan. They don't do this plan even before our supreme leader has been kidnapped. It has been. This plan has been on ground. Now me there with them. Now me they tell you now. Man, I wake up. Man, I wake up. Brother Ikeshuku, you know everything. You know everything. You know everything. And they are walking Biafra to the reality. I'm a walking Biafra to the reality. I don't want to involve a lot of people's name yet. But Nelly need to be stopped. Nelly need to be stopped. She cannot divide IPOB. Nelly cannot divide IPOB. Nelly too small to come divide IPOB. Nelly is too small to come divide IPOB. She has evil mission. She has evil intention, and she need to be stopped. She need to be stopped. And the leadership need to wake up to the wake up to the reality. Anybody when they included in that thing when Nelly they do, if now one search on the moon and search, anybody when say una agree to what Nelly is doing. If una wan sanction them, una sanction them. It's better to have 2 IPOB units who are steadfast than having anything. And make una listen o. Hey. Nelly go out o. Nelly go out o. I dey tell you now. Not let people make all the drag for this matter. I dey tell you now. You no wan listen o. Many people no go drag o. I dey tell you now. You no wan listen o. You dey do odunga o. Many people no go drag for this matter o. Retrieve your step now. Stop what you are doing. IPOB leadership, wake up. Make una wake up. Anybody that is with Nelly should be removed or should be boycotted. Mona even boycott themselves. Mona boycott them. They say no one come on a meeting again. Mona boycott them. Many they do. More see people when they want to work with and what they want to work with. Now it has been proven to Biafrans and IPOB leadership that Nelly and co are be calling a lot of Biafrans back home to direct their this thing. Now their news, now they call they get. They don't get a lot of coordinators number. They don't get a lot of general in ESN number. And they put on notice now. Make una wake up. If una dey slumber before, make una wake up to the reality. This is what is going on the ground. Make una start to act. Make una start to act now. I mean they tell una the truth. Thank you, Matthew Uwa. Now true now they tell una so. Una know why body they pepper me like this? Because I know what I dey talk, say na truth. So make una listen to me. Nelly na evil. Nelly na evil, my people. Nelly na evil. Nelly is an agent of the zoo. Man, listen to me, oh. Nelly na agent of the zoo. Man, not listen to them again, oh. She has come to destroy you. Man, listen to what I tell una so. They want to destroy IPOB leadership so that they come and form useless group. Now so all their strategy now so it be. They silent every one of us. In no one other way or the other. They silent every one of us. They are even happy that nobody is defending IPOB online. Nobody is fighting on the interest of IPOB online. They are happy. They raise their shoulder. So they call the issue document. The issue document. Then they crazy. They crazy well. If you say we go allow you get away with your rubbish. They crazy well and they tell you the truth. If you say we go allow you get away. Those people when you collect, so may you collect them, may you go with them. Okay, because they're talking now be the architect of IPOB in the USA. Let me tell you Nelly, IPOB na divine project. Now divine project sent from God Almighty. Our Supreme that they tell you every day. He said it will take you 100 years to dig into IPOB foundation. And it will take you another 150 years. Because you could not get into the heart of IPOB. Now you the craze for everywhere. This I don't know. Because you could not get into the heart of IPOB, the heart of Biafra struggle. Now make you the craze fall everywhere. Why come be saying now you carry everything for her? Because now you get the mission. Now you get the vision. Now you get the contract. But Nelly, you too small. You too small. We don't see your type tire. You too small, Nelly. You go nowhere. Now me they tell you, say you go nowhere. All your plan go bust for your belly. Come out from media again. Man, see you for anybody platform again. Man, see you for anybody platform. We figure the rank for your platform. But man, see you say anybody's host you, send a social media person say he host you. Then I will not say, okay, now you and the person they do what they do. They make you say anybody when make una get una battle clothes, una battle everything. Una get ready. Una get ready to fight. And I'm ready to receive all the bullets. Make una get ready to fight. I don't keep quiet and allow people like Nelly. Nelly is a PDP agent to come and destroy what we have been laboring for the past how many years. Make una get ready. Thank you, fellow. Thank you, wonderful Biafrans. Those of you who have not seen the memo that Nelly issued, go out there and look for the memo. I don't want to post it on my wall. Go out there and look for the memo and listen to it. And read it. I just read it for the broadcast way off just now. My laptop up. Go out there and look for the memo and read it. And after you read it, you don't use your tongue, take out your teeth. I call it broadcast. You can't call your talk rubbish. You cannot do anything that will block you. Because a lot of times I not get strength to fight on that. But you see any enemy when they come close, I get strength to fight them. I will not fight you. Don't worry. Don't worry. I know what I'm saying. So, Biafrans, make una take note. Nelly na Nigeria agent. Make una take note. Nelly na Nigeria agent. any information wey she dey bring na from the Nigerian agent to come bring stability for IPOB. Mona see the way she dey in a hurry, and they want to boycott DOS, they want to boycott this one. We are starting on our own. The woman have taken over leadership. This one do this one. In breaking news, why are you so in a hurry? Why are you so in a hurry? If you really mean well for all, why are you so in a hurry, Nelly? That the question when they ask you be that you are in a hurry because you have plan, and that plan I go burst for your belly. So make I leave the talk for here. We must continue and we move. Thank you very much. You don't have any evidence. You don't have any evidence. You don't have any evidence. You are agent of the darkness. Yes, they don't have any evidence. No evidence. Now me they tell you now, no evidence. No evidence. Everything so far that they have been doing, it has been planned even before our Supreme Leader was kidnapped. Even before our Supreme Leader was kidnapped. Now it on the ground. So thank you very much. You get where the matter go. You get where the matter go reach. You get where the matter go reach very soon. Names of people will be mentioned. Names will be mentioned. Names go dey enter. Names go dey enter. So make una fair. Yes, now they tell una so. Now they tell una so. Any platform wanna for see anybody host Nelly again, wanna send and give me, make I watch am. Any platform wanna see Nelly for host anybody again, send that platform to me. Let me watch it, and then let me prove to you say this is what is going on. Any platform wanna for see Nelly, say anybody host Nelly again, wanna send the platform to me, make I watch am. Then I will come outside and tell Biafra what is going on, because I know what is going on. So I thank you very much. No, Nelly is not like Ushemefo. Nelly is not like Ushemefo. Nelly has another mission entirely, my people. Nelly is not like Ushemefo. Ushemefo na saboing TK when we say it already there as a this thing another. That one another mission. Nelly mission another one. It's another version of Daughters of Jezebel. Get it into your head. If you like, take it or leave it. This is the truth that I'm telling you, and I'll continue to expose Nelly to make sure say Nelly plan boss for him belly. Now true now they tell you so. Make I leave the talk for here at this moment. Make I leave am for here first before as the battle line go continue to the draw between me and Nelly. Battle line will continue to the draw between me and Nelly. Thank you very much. Thank you, Izadi Bay. Thank you very much. All hail Biafra. Make I leave am for here.